So let's start by talking about the knife I'll be using. So basically, any knife that's got a curve to the edge is not gonna cut it, literally. So I had to buy a knife that had a straight edge, and yeah, I bought a knife just so I can do this. So as soon as I cut into the skin, or tried, because it just kept breaking, I just thought this is gonna be harder than I ever thought it would be. So after a while of struggling to cut the skin off by using a knife, I just resorted to using a peeler. And then with the skin gone, I thought my life was gonna get a little bit easier. It did for 2 seconds. Because they just keep breaking. So after some quick research, I found that, setting techniques aside, I just needed radish that were straighter and more round. So I went out and got 4 of those, thinking that it would be enough. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Yes. So this is already going way better than the last time. I was actually able to cut the skin off using the knife. And I was actually making consistent cuts with the meat of the radish, albeit very thick, you know. Right. I just needed a little bit more practice. And practice I did. Oh fuck. So eventually I got to the point where I can cut a thin and long sheet of radish. And considering I did this in a day, I think it's pretty good. Oh yeah, and there's B-roll.